For today's video mga ka-Bioconers, narito ang latest top 10 standout candidates during Parade of Beauties ng Binibining Pilipinas 2023. Narito ang mga kaganapan nating panuorin.
Hi everyone, I'm Sherry Bellis, representing Buayang Bato, Mandaluyong City! Good afternoon, I am Rumana Priya Sali, representing Kalumpit, Lizelle Jones, proudly representing Ormoc City. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Phoebe Tirandininas, proudly representing Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. Tisha Martinez, representing Pilar, Laguna. Their referee, Juan Dickinson, from the province of Tarlac. Maria Cordelis Mabao, province of Rizal. Mirna Estela Abian.
Mga Bioconeras, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aming mga bagong videos.